So, hi Laurent.
Good morning, Jean-Marc.
Today, this is going to be our first unboxing on the channel. Okay, so it's an exciting new video. We have no idea what we're doing for real. So this is going to be a great
surprise.
first one.
Surprise.
Yes, and we have this new device, the Oculus Quest, the latest iteration of the Oculus, the virtual reality headset. It's like the new iteration of their mobile VR solution, because as you'll see, there is no cables, no wires.
Okay.
It's a completely mobile solution. Okay, so we're here to open the box, see what's inside, try to set it up, install the first app, and give it a try.
Okay. Let's go.
The device itself.
Well, it's not too heavy.
Not too heavy.
No, yeah. I think I'm surprised by the weight.
Yeah, because it's all embedded, so there is no wires, nothing. You have both the computer and the VR lenses and everything on the headset. So it's everything embedded in the headset. So it's okay if it's not too heavy. That's one of the big things. They have also those sensors here, because now it's supposed to be fully mobile. You don't need sensors on the walls and stuff to see either the gamepads or the headset themselves. So everything is embedded. So it's a big challenge to keep it light, I suppose. Here, the new Oculus touches, new Oculus gamepads. Okay, they're quite lightweight too, right?
Yeah, sure.
I don't know if it's a good thing, but they look nice.
Yeah.
Nice finishing. Okay, and I think we're gonna need batteries for those. And we have here a little safety thing. I don't know how to call that in English, but the power brick, okay, USB-C, that's nice. So I'm guessing that here we also have a USB-C connector somewhere. Yeah, here you go, to charge it. So USB-C, very nice. We have this little thingy with a pair of glasses on it. So I guess that's for you.
Oh yeah. I was wondering how I could use that with my glasses, but
I guess this is for you.
Obviously, there's an adapter or some kind of adapter to.
Yeah, I have no idea how to use that. And we have USB-C to USB-C cable. Yeah, and maybe we're gonna need to charge it before we can actually use it. We'll see, or plug it at least. Which kinda defeats the purpose of a wireless device. Maybe 4 meters.
Yeah.
So that's pretty cool. So even when it's plugged in, maybe it's actually still usable. Inside the headset, there is something that says we need an app. Okay? Something to notice is we don't have headphones here. I think you have headphones inside the strap. So like you don't actually see them, but there's sound coming from the strap, coming from here and from here. Okay? So this is plastic. This is rubber. It's kind of plastic rubber. And here it's some kind of fabric. So maybe it's gonna be easier for the skin to breathe when you're using it for a long time. I don't know. We have the little scratches here, okay, to adjust the strap. Yeah. We also have here to deal with the volume, audio volume. Here I think it's to adjust the distance between the lenses, okay, according to the actual distance between your two eyes. Audio jack, USB-C port, and here the 4 sensors. Yeah. Is there an on button? Oh yeah, here you go, on button.
Can you see something?
No, it's actually completely pitch dark. Oh, okay. Download the Oculus app, which I already have. And oh, that's nice. I can already see the devices. So I see there is one touch here. Can you move it? Yeah. Wow, it's already synced. Okay, that's nice. Nothing to do to have the devices synced. It's really, really good. Okay, so now let's install the app. You can give it a shot and see if it works with your glasses.
So I have to insert. I guess I have to insert this thing.
But I don't think you can actually remove it. I don't know. Oh yeah, you can. Bold move. It's not yours, break it.
I try not to.
That part you can take off. That is very useful because if you want to clean it, for example, or if you want to have different sizes and stuff, it's going to be very useful.
Yeah, and I can, plug the...
Yeah. So it's like an adapter for people wearing glasses.
to give some room.
Yeah, for the glasses.
For the glasses, yeah.
Okay, so I'll just get my phone and I'm going to install the app. So Laurent, we're back. And you haven't tried that many VR headsets, right?
No.
Okay, it's your first one.
Yeah.
Okay. We have a VR virgin.
Because of the glasses. Yeah.
Because of the glasses, okay, so it's important. So we have set up the VR, the glasses adapter. So you could
Yeah, it's okay.
actually try. Yeah, go on. Okay, so is it good? Is it comfortable?
Yeah, it's absolutely comfortable.
Okay. And the glasses, it doesn't hurt your eyes or whatever?
No, that's perfect.
Okay, so is it the first? Yeah.
Surprisingly perfect.
Okay, surprisingly perfect. It's important because in a company, okay, in an enterprise environment, people are going to have glasses. So it's a bit weird because you can't see what it's seeing because it's not set up yet.
I can see stars in the sky.
Can you?
Yeah.
Can you interact with the touches,
No,
touch controllers? No?
nothing happens.
Okay. So it's a 500 euros headset to just watch stars, right?
Yeah, that's it.
It's the right price. That's the price I want to pay to just see some stars. Oh, something's happening.
Yes. Wow.
Okay, so we can hear the sound coming from the straps. Okay, no headphones, but it's...
Wow. Maybe it's one of the apps that
I don't
was
think, not yet.
installed, no?
I think some kind of tutorial or...
It's really, it's...
It sounds pretty cool.
Yeah,
It sounds
really
pretty
good,
cool.
Yeah. It's a real 3D space, It's...
I have no idea what's happening in the headsets. I want to say hell yeah, whatever, because of the music. So here, what's the biggest addition is that you can actually walk, okay? So it's not just about looking around, you can actually walk in any direction. And that's the big game changer here. Okay, so Laurent is deep inside his first game of Beat Saber, right? And so you're gonna see a picture-in-picture of what he's doing, right? And we tried to cast on the TV using Chromecast. The good news is Chromecast is supported inside the headset. But the problem is you need the last generation of Chromecast, otherwise it just won't work, okay? So we have a Chromecast 1, the first Chromecast, and it doesn't work. So no TV feedback, you'll have the picture-in-picture. And that's a big issue because when you're doing VR, you kind of feel alone in the headset, okay? It's pretty hard to help someone if you can't see what he's seeing. And so having the TV feedback is quite important. And that's why in SmartShape, for example, we have a follow user feature so that when you have someone in VR, you can actually follow him on your own computer or on your own smartphone, your own tablets, and you can see where it's going and what he's doing and so on. So that's very important. This follow user feature is very important in VR. Plus in SmartShape, it's not just a video feedback, it's actually full 3D. So you can actually click, interact. You follow someone, but you can still interact with the 3D on your own screen. So very important in VR. Otherwise, you end up kind of like Laurent right now, being in his own world, okay, in the zone. It's pretty cool, but pretty hard to work together if you don't have this kind of feature. So Laurent, you've been using the Oculus Quest for a few minutes now, like 5-10 minutes. It was your first VR experience.
Yeah, sure.
What do you think?
It's impressive,
Okay.
really impressive. The device is really comfortable.
Okay.
It's not, I felt great. I
Okay.
felt great, and no limit due to the glasses.
Okay.
So, well, a very, very impressive experience. And the image is quite good.
Yeah, it's very clear.
Yeah, clear.
Okay. You've played a bit of Beat Saber. It was your first time at Beat Saber too, obviously. When I play Beat Saber on the Oculus Rift, the big issue is with the cables, the wires. I always feel like I'm being pulled toward my PC because of the cables.
Really?
So how did you feel playing Beat Saber?
Completely free. You know,
Okay.
I could do all the movements I wanted to do,
Okay.
and with no feeling of being, attached to anything.
Okay.
Really, really free.
Glasses, it's okay.
It's okay.
It's a done deal.
Yeah.
So again, very important in a company, in an enterprise environment, people are going to wear glasses. People need to wear glasses. So it's very important to know that even if you have problems for seeing from up close, you can actually still wear glasses and it works. Yeah. Okay, so that's a very good point. We'll have to test it for more than just 10 minutes to see how it goes for longer sessions, like 30 minutes, maybe 1 hour long. In a company, probably going to use this for short sessions. So I think comfort-wise, it should be okay, right? One issue was to be able to screencast the Quest to the TV, right? So as I explained, no last generation Chromecast here, so we could not cast it to the TV. And that's a big issue because if you're alone in the headsets, you're not really working with your colleagues and stuff, okay? And so that's why I think the first thing we're gonna have SmartShape in this, is the follow user feature. So you can actually follow the people inside the Quest headsets and know where they are, what they're doing, and stuff like that. So people can actually work together in VR. Okay?
Sure.
So all in all, it's a pretty impressive device. It's mobile, no cables, it's a nice iteration. And we'll give it a try with SmartShape and see how it goes. And then we'll actually try to have some customers of ours to give it a try and give us some feedback too.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Good.